Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a frustrating problem. Many dual boot Ubuntu users face this error, cannot find TOCBLOCK. It usually appears when trying to boot into Ubuntu after Windows. Don't worry, we'll go through the steps to fix it. First, let's understand why this happens. Windows updates sometimes overwrite the GRUB bootloader. GRUB is essential for choosing which OS to boot. When Windows overwrites it, Ubuntu becomes inaccessible. That's where the cannot find TOCBLOCK error pops up. Now, let's dive into the solution. We'll use a live Ubuntu USB or DVD. Boot your computer from the USB drive. Select Try Ubuntu. Once Ubuntu is running, open a terminal. Now, we need to identify your Ubuntu partition. Type sudo fdisk-l. This command lists all your disks and partitions. Look for the partition marked as Linux. Note down the device name. It looks like /dev/sdx or /dev/me0nxby, where x and y are numbers. Replace /dev/sdax in the following commands with your actual Ubuntu partition. Next, we'll mount the Ubuntu partition. Type sudo mount /dev/sdax/mnt. This command mounts your Ubuntu partition to the /mnt directory. Now, let's reinstall GRUB. This is the key to fixing the cannot find TOCBLOCK error. Type sudo grub-install target equals i386 pc boot directory equals /m/boot/dev/sda. Replace /dev/sda with the disk where your Ubuntu partition is located, e.g., /dev/me0n. This command installs GRUB on your system. It tells GRUB where the boot directory is. After reinstalling GRUB, update the GRUB configuration file. Type sudo update-grub. This command scans for all installed operating systems. It adds them to the GRUB menu. Finally, unmount the Ubuntu partition. Type sudo unmount /mnt. Now, reboot your computer. Remove the live USB drive. Hopefully, you will now see the GRUB menu. You should be able to boot into Ubuntu without the cannot find TOCBLOCK error. If you still encounter issues, double-check the partition names. Make sure you're using the correct device names. Also, ensure Secure Boot is disabled in your BIOS settings. Secure Boot can sometimes interfere with GRUB. These steps should resolve the problem for most users. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel by sharing this video with others. Leave a comment if you have any questions.